नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर हेमंत व्यास, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर एंड हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In today's session, we are going to discuss about various homeopathic medicines for venous diseases. So सबसे पहला मेडिसिन है हमारा हेमामेलिस वर्जिनियना. दिस इज अ होम्योपैथिक रेमेडी फॉर वेरिकोज वेन्स. तो जिसमें हेमामेलिस जो है इट इज अ प्लांट विच इज कॉमनली नोन एज विच हेजल. इट इज यूज्ड इन ट्रीटमेंट फॉर venous insufficiency with tiredness and aching in the legs. The legs also feel tense and a dragging sensation may be present. Varicose veins of legs. The varicose may be hard and knotty. Pain in the leg usually worsening from little motion is another main feature that appear in hemomelis. Ulcers on leg with prickling pain that are sensitive to touch also indicate the use of hemomelis. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है हमारा पल्सेटिला नाइग्रिकेंस. ये यूज होता है वेनस इनसफिशिएंसी में, जब क्रैम्पिंग पेन भी साथ में हमको मिलेगा लेग्स में. पल्सेटिला नाइग्रिकेंस इज रेमेडी of natural origin prepared from the plant windflower. It works well when there is cramping pain in the legs. Cramping mostly gets worse during the evening. Hanging down legs tends to worsen the complaint and legs feel heavy with a weary sensation. A drawing feeling in the legs, tension in legs and restlessness of legs are a few of the accompanying features. Varices on the legs are prominently present. Legs and feet may be swollen and burning. Pains appear in the swollen feet. Pulsatilla is also indicated for varices during pregnancy. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है हमारा फ्लूरिक एसिड. ये यूज होता है वेनस एफिशिएंसी में जब हमको लेग अल्सर मिलता है. तो लेग अल्सर विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज वेनस अल्सर भी हमको मिल सकता है फ्लूरिक एसिड के अंदर. फ्लूरिक एसिड हैज मार्क्ड स्फीयर ऑफ एक्शन ऑन द वेनस सिस्टम. इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर ट्रीटिंग अल्सर्स ऑन द लेग्स ड्यू टू वेनस insufficiency. Soreness on the leg with red margins appear and pain in ulcer is present is a marked feature of floric acid. Burning sensation in the ulcer is present and there may be a copious discharge from the ulcer. Warmth tend to worsen the pain and the legs tend to be swollen. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है हमारा लैकेसिस, जो कि ओफिडिया ग्रुप से आता है और इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं वेनस लेग अल्सर के अंदर, जिसमें हमको ऑफेंसिव डिस्चार्जेस मिलेंगे. Lachesis muta is a remedy for leg ulcer with offensive discharges. There appear leg ulcer with bluish purplish surroundings. The bottom of ulcer is uneven and dirty. Pimples or vesicles may surround the ulcer. Thin or pus discharges from the ulcer come out and these are usually foul smelling. Sometimes ulcers tend to bleed. The ulcers are painful and sensitive to touch and may have an intense burning sensation. The ulcers are painful. Itching may be present in the sores. The legs are also swollen and red. Weakness and loss of strength attend the above complaint and these symptoms tend to get worse during the night. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है हमारा वाइपेरा और ये इंडिकेटेड है सेंसिटिव वेन्स में लेग्स की. होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन वाइपेरा इज यूज्ड टू treat venous insufficiency with swollen and tender vein in the legs. Veins are blue and very tender to touch and there is marked venous stasis in the legs. It is attended by pain and bursting sensation in the legs. Hanging the legs down worsen the complaint. देखिए इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखना है, जब भी हम लेग्स को नीचे की तरफ हैंग करके रखेंगे तो उसमें पेन होगा. इस ये सिम्टम अगर हमको मिलता है तो वाइपेरा इज वेल इंडिकेटेड मेडिसिन. द पर्सन ऑल्सो कंप्लेन्स ऑफ सीवियर क्रैम्पिंग पेन इन लेग्स. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है हमारा ग्राफाइटिस। ये वेनस इनसफिशिएंसी में यूज होता है जब हमको ईचिंग, ड्राइनेस, क्रैक्स ऑन स्किन भी साथ में मिलेंगे। So graphitis is used to treat venous insufficiency with itching, dryness and cracks on the skin of legs. Itching mostly is seen to get worse during the night. There may be oozing of discharge. It may be used in cases of stasis eczema. Varicose veins are present on the legs. A feeling of congestion in the legs and feet can appear while standing. Legs may feel heavy and tense. Legs also tend to swell up and heavy shooting pain is also seen in these cases. So this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any queries, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.